open your fish project. Make a new layer in the timeline. Name it Background. And drag it below the fish layer. Notice the software automatically makes the object stay on the timeline for the entire length of the fish animation. Lock the fish layer so you don't accidentally move the fish. You are going to need to see the entire tools palette. I'm going to pull mine off from the docking so that you can see it. If you can see all your tools on your screen, then you can leave it docked. Click on the brush tool. At the bottom of the toolbox, you'll see properties for the brush tool. Click on the fill color. There's no stroke for the brush tool. And choose a brown color. Then look at the bottom of the toolbox at the other options for the brush tool. Click on the brush size and select the largest size for the drop-down. Select the brush shape and select the ellipse. At the bottom of the stage, draw a wavy line across the bottom for the dirt. Fill in the area underneath your wavy line with brown. That'll be your dirt. Next, choose the elongated shape. Select a light green color and draw several seaweed plants with gaps between them, starting near the top of the dirt and going up random heights no more than 2/3 of the way up the stage. Now make a new layer above the fish layer and name it Foreground. Draw more similar plants to that layer, but use a darker shade of green and start them closer to the bottom of the screen. Unlock your fish layer and move your fish so that it swims through the seaweed either above or right below the top of the dirt. You need to move the fish in frames 1 and 50. Now use the red box to move the fish across the stage. You can see how some of the plants are in the background and some are in the foreground. Lock the fish layer. Select a plant. Click on Modify, Convert to Symbol. Name it Seaweed 1 and put the registration point at the bottom center. Double-click the drawing to open its own timeline. Click in frame 1 and choose the Free Transform tool. Move the center point, the white circle, to the bottom of the plant. Click on the line at the top of the seaweed. Don't click on a handle. Move your mouse slightly to the right or left so that the plant skews. Put keyframes in 10 and 20. Go to frame 10 and skew the seaweed the other direction. In frame 20, leave the seaweed as it is. Click on Scene 1 to return to the entire drawing. Repeat with the other plants with different degrees of skew in different keyframes. Save your work and go to Control to test the scene.